Indonesia is richest country of its biodiversity than others. Then, Indonesia have the third largest rainforests. Its rainforests becomes home for several birds in the world. Now, there are approximately 1,539 bird species and one of them is beautiful creature in the world called bird of paradise. Meanwhile, bird of paradise's family consists of 43 species. It's approximately 30 species in Indonesia. The other species are in the rainforests of Papua New Guinea as well as in the northeastern Australia. Most of the species are sexually dimorphic. It means that male and female have different appearance. The bird of paradise male have more beautiful feathers to attract females especially during mating season, beside all of the species of birds of paradise. Here are the most popular bird of paradise which evaluated as the least concerns of the IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, Red List of Threatened Species. Number 17. Superb bird of paradise. The superb bird of paradise is genus Lophrina types. Superb bird of paradise is a small, approximately 26 centimeters long. The male is black with iridescent green crown. Then, there are blue-green breast, and also a long velvety black erectile cape. It's covering his back, while the female is a reddish-brown bird within below there is brownish barred buff around. The younger one is similar to the female. The species has low population of females. Superb bird of paradise lead the species which have the most bizarre and elaborate courtship displays. Moreover, after the dance floor, the average female rejects 15 to 20 potential suitors before consenting to mate. On the other hand, the superb bird of paradise is distributed throughout rainforests of Papua New Guinea. Number 16. Crinkled collared manicoad. The crinkled collared manicoad is found throughout lowlands and hill forests in mainland Papua New Guinea and Misul Island of West Papua. The diet consists mainly of fruits and figs. The crinkled collared manicoad is medium-sized, up to 36 centimeters long, greenish-blue, black and purple, glossed with a long graduated tail, red eyes and iridescent green breast feathers. Both sexes are similar in appearance, however the female is slightly smaller and less purple. Number 15. Jobi manicoad. The Jobi manicoad is a species of crow-like types. It's distributed in lowland forests of Jobi Island and northern Papua New Guinea. Then, the diet consists mainly of fruits and arthropods. Then, like other manicoads, it is sexually monomorphic and monogamous. The Jobi manicoad has medium size up to 34 centimeters long, greenish-blue, black and purple glossed with red eyes, lightly crinkled bluish short upper, breast and neck feathers. Both sexes are similar in appearance, however the female is slightly smaller and duller. Number 14. Glossy mantled manicoad. These birds are distributed to lowlands of Papua New Guinea as well as nearby islands. The glossy mantled manicoad live in lowland rainforest, river and monsoon forests, forest edge, swamp forests and woodlands. The glossy mantled manicoad is medium-sized, around 42 centimeters long, glossed green, blue and purple-black with a red eyes, black beak, long graduated tail and somewhat elongated upper breast and neck feathers. The female is slightly smaller than the male. They tend to move alone or in pairs. Number 13. Paradise crow. The paradise crow, also known as the silky crow, is a medium-sized crow-like bird of paradise. It is one of the few monogamous birds of paradise. The paradise crow is endemic to lowland forests of North Maluku, Indonesia. The diet consists mainly of fruits and insects. The paradise crow is approximately 34 centimeters long with all dark, soft and silky plumage. It has a black beak and a call reminiscent of dog's bark. Both sexes are similar, the female is slightly smaller than male. Number 12. 12-wired bird of paradise. The 12-wired bird of paradise is a medium-sized, approximately 33 centimeters 13 inches long, velvet black and yellow bird of paradise. The male has a red eyes, long black beak, and rich yellow plumes along his flanks. From the rear of these plumes emerge 12 blackish wire-like filaments, which bend back near their bases to sweep forward over the bird's hindquarters. On the other hand, the female one is a brown bird with black barred buff underpants. Their feet are strong, large clawed and pink in color. Number 11. Princess Stephanie's astrapia. Princess Stephanie's astrapia is a medium-sized, approximately 37 centimeters long, black bird of paradise with a blue-green and purple head. Then, it has silky plumage below which very long. In addition, there are broad purplish-black in its central tail feathers, while the female has a dark brown bird with a bluish-black head, as well as black barred cinnamon brown in their underpants. Number 10. Victoria's Riflebird. The Victoria's Riflebird, also known as the Dawuduwu to the Yidinji people, is a bird of paradise endemic to the region of northeastern Queensland, Australia. As well as insects, they eat fruits from the trees, some which they peel by holding the fruit with one foot and removing the skin with their bill. The smallest bird, it measures 23 to 25 centimeters. Males have iridescent purple sheen plumage, which becomes more blue-green on the head and more bronze on the lower breast. The throat is velvety black with a metallic green and blue triangular patch in the center. Females have a pale eyebrow, and the buff underpants are faintly barred with brown. Number 9. Magnificent Bird of Paradise. The Magnificent Bird of Paradise is small, up to 26 centimeters long, with extremely complex plumage. The male has seemingly incandescent yellow wings, an iridescent green breast shield, blue feet, and is adorned with a yellow mantle on his neck. He has two long, curved, blue-green tail feathers. Meanwhile, the female is a comparatively drab olive, brown bird with black barred buff underpants. She lays 2 creamy yellow eggs. The Magnificent Bird of Paradise is distributed amongst the hill and mid-mountain forests of Papua New Guinea and surrounding islands. Their diet consists mainly of fruits. Number 8. Goldie's Bird of Paradise. Goldie's Bird of Paradise is large, approximately 33 centimeters long, and olive brown. The male has a yellow and dark green plumage with a lavender gray breast, yellow eyes, and gray-colored beak, mouth and feet. It is adorned with large crimson ornamental flank plumes and 2 long tail wires. On the other hand, the male is distinguished by its lavender gray breast plumage. The diet consists mainly of fruits. Number 7. Wilson Bird of Paradise. Wilson's Bird of Paradise sized small with only about 21 centimeters long. The male bird's body colored black and red with yellow stripe on the neck. The beak is green, the feet is blue and have a pear-curved purple tail. While the female bird's size is smaller than the male. Wilson's Bird of Paradise is an Indonesian endemic. The Wilson's Bird of Paradise is distributed to the hill and lowland rainforests of Waigeo and Madanat Islands of West Papua. Number 6. King of Saxony Bird of Paradise. It is only 22 centimeters long, with the white feather 41 centimeters that used to attract females. The body is color black, with yellow eyes and grayish feet. Meanwhile, the female size is smaller than males but even less than 19 centimeters. Originally from the rainforest Jawijaya Mountains, the male is black and yellow with a dark brown eyes, brownish-gray legs, a black bill with a bright aqua-green beak, and 2 remarkably long scalloped enamel blue brow plumes that can be independently erected at the bird's will. Number 5. Red Bird of Paradise. It is a 33 centimeters long bird, with a yellow beak and red feather. The male has an emerald green face. Then, they are a pair of elongated black in tail wires, as well as dark green feather pompons above each eye. On the other hand, the female or red paradise is quietly similar. However, it has smaller in size, with a dark brown face and has no ornamental red plumes. The diet consists mainly of fruits, berries and arthropods. The females are smaller than male. Number 4. Bluebird of Paradise. The length of adult bluebird is up to 31 centimeters long. Then, the body color is black with the dark brown eyes as well as graying feet. The feather of male wings are blue, so that it called bluebird. It's originally from the southeast of Papua New Guinea. Number 3. Ribbon-tailed Astrapia. Ribbon-tailed Astrapia can be the most fantastic species than others. It has the longest tail with approximately 3 times their body length. Then, the length of adult bird is up to 32 centimeters while its tail is 1 meter long. In addition, the color of male birds are black and green, while the female birds are brown. Its habitat can be found in the center of Irian Island. Number 2. Ragiana Bird of Paradise. The Ragiana Bird of Paradise is also called Count Raggie's Bird of Paradise. This bird is 34 centimeters long, has grayish-red-brown feather, yellow eyes and grayish-brown feet. The male bird has a yellow crown and green feather on the throat. Female birds are smaller than the male, colored brown. The original habitat is on the southern and the southeast Irian Island. Number 1. Lesser bird of paradise. The lesser bird of paradise in Indonesia known as Cendrawasih kuning kessel. This bird's size is medium with a length approximately 32 centimeters. The color is brownish red with yellow crown and back brownish yellow. The male bird has green-colored fur on the throat and a pair of long yellow and white tail. The female bird's color is brown on the head and white on the chest. It is originally from the island near Misol and Yapen Islands. Birds of paradise now become a protected animal due to its existence has decreased dramatically in the past few years. People hunt the birds because of its beauty and its high profitability.